The American robin, Turdus migratorius, is one of North America's most recognizable songbirds. With its bright orange-red breast, grayish-brown back, and cheerful song, it is a symbol of spring. These birds are found in forests, gardens, and urban areas, where they forage for worms, insects, and berries. American robins are known for their distinctive melodious calls and their ability to adapt to various environments. They build cup-shaped nests using mud and grass, often placing them in trees or on human-made structures. These birds migrate south in the winter, but can sometimes be seen year-round in warmer climates. As a resilient and widespread species, the American robin continues to thrive, delighting birdwatchers with its beauty and song. The house sparrow, Passer domesticus, is one of the most familiar birds worldwide. Originally native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa, it has successfully adapted to urban and rural environments across the globe. Recognized by its small, plump body, brown and gray plumage, and distinctive chirping calls, the house sparrow is a social and resourceful bird. These sparrows thrive in human settlements, nesting in buildings and feeding on a diverse diet of seeds, grains, and insects. Despite their widespread presence, some populations have declined due to habitat changes and food shortages. Conservationists continue to study their patterns to understand these shifts. The house sparrow remains a symbol of adaptability and resilience, charming bird enthusiasts with its lively presence. The northern cardinal, Cardinalis cardinalis, is one of the most recognizable and beloved songbirds in North America. Known for its brilliant red plumage in males and warm brown tones in females, the species is a favorite among birdwatchers. Its distinctive crest and black mask add to its striking appearance. Found in woodlands, gardens, and urban areas, northern cardinals are non-migratory birds that brighten winter landscapes with their vibrant colors. They are known for their sweet whistling songs, which both males and females sing to communicate. Their diet consists of seeds, fruits, and insects. The northern cardinal is a symbol of vitality and joy, often seen as a messenger of good fortune in various cultural beliefs. The European starling, Sturnus vulgaris, is a highly adaptable and intelligent songbird known for its striking iridescent plumage and remarkable vocal abilities. Originally native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa, it was introduced to North America in the 19th century and has since flourished across the continent. These social birds are famous for their synchronized flocking behavior, known as murmurations, where thousands move in stunning aerial displays. European starlings are skilled mimics, capable of imitating the calls of other birds and even human sounds. They thrive in diverse habitats, from rural fields to bustling cities. Though sometimes considered invasive, their resilience and adaptability make them a fascinating species, adding dynamic movement and sound to the natural world. The common blackbird, Turdus marula, is a widely recognized songbird found across Europe, Asia, and North Africa. Males are striking with their glossy black feathers and bright yellow beak, while females and juveniles display brown plumage with speckled underparts. Renowned for their melodious and flute-like songs, common blackbirds are among the finest avian vocalists, often singing at dawn and dusk. They inhabit woodlands, gardens, and urban areas, adapting well to human presence. These omnivorous birds feed on insects, berries, and seeds, playing an essential role in their ecosystems. Their enchanting songs and adaptability make them a cherished species, symbolizing joy and the changing seasons in many cultures. The blue jay, Cyanocida cristata, is a strikingly beautiful and intelligent bird native to North America. Recognized for its vivid blue plumage, black markings, and white underparts, this bird is a common sight in forests, parks, and suburban areas. Blue jays are known for their complex social behaviors and loud, varied calls, often mimicking hawks to deceive other birds. Highly adaptable and resourceful, they are opportunistic feeders, consuming seeds, nuts, insects, and even small vertebrates. They also play a crucial role in forest regeneration by storing and forgetting acorns, aiding in tree growth. Their intelligence, boldness, and striking appearance make them one of the most fascinating and charismatic birds in the wild. The eastern bluebird, Cyalia cyalis, is a small, brightly colored thrush native to North America. Males are easily recognized by their vibrant blue plumage, rusty red chest, and white belly, while females display more subdued hues. These birds prefer open woodlands, meadows, and orchards, often nesting in tree cavities or birdhouses. Eastern bluebirds are beloved for their gentle nature and cheerful, melodious songs. They primarily feed on insects, berries, and fruits, helping to control pest populations and disperse seeds. Conservation efforts, including nest box programs, have helped restore their populations after declines due to habitat loss and competition from invasive species. Their beauty, sweet songs, and beneficial presence make them a cherished sight in the wild. The song sparrow, Melospiza melodia, is a small, unassuming bird with a rich and melodious voice. Found across North America, it thrives in a variety of habitats, including wetlands, grasslands, and suburban gardens. Recognized by its brown-streaked plumage and distinctive dark spot on its chest, this sparrow blends seamlessly into its surroundings. Despite its modest appearance, the song sparrow is known for its remarkable singing ability. Males sing complex and varied tunes to defend their territory and attract mates. These birds are adaptable feeders, consuming seeds, berries, and insects. Their resilience and cheerful songs make them a delight for birdwatchers. The song sparrow's presence in diverse landscapes highlights its adaptability and the vital role it plays in local ecosystems. The barn swallow, Hirundo rustica, is a graceful, agile bird known for its distinctive forked tail and shimmering blue plumage. Found on nearly every continent, it thrives in open fields, farmlands, and near human structures, where it builds cup-shaped mud nests under eaves and bridges. Barn swallows are exceptional aerial hunters, skillfully catching insects mid-flight. Their diet makes them valuable allies to farmers, as they help control pest populations. These birds are also renowned for their long migratory journeys, traveling thousands of miles between breeding and wintering grounds. Their cheerful chattering calls and acrobatic flight patterns make them a favorite among birdwatchers, symbolizing the arrival of spring in many regions. The black-capped chickadee, Poecile atricapillus, is a small yet charismatic songbird known for its distinctive black cap and bib, along with its cheerful chickadee-dee-dee call. Found throughout North America's forests, parks, and backyards, this adaptable bird thrives in both urban and rural environments. Chickadees are highly intelligent, capable of hiding food for later use and remembering its location. They are non-migratory and endure harsh winters by fluffing their feathers to trap warmth. Their diet consists of seeds, berries, and insects, making them essential for natural pest control. These birds are curious and friendly, often approaching humans at feeders. The black-capped chickadee's playful nature and resilience make it a beloved symbol of perseverance in the avian world.